You ever play a game and you're just so focused that you've literally left your entire stream on the waiting screen or the just chatting screen while you're waiting for a game to load? And then you sit there like an idiot thinking to yourself, crap, I forgot to change the scene. You know that your mods can take care of that for you with a little command? Let me show you how to do it. Just a quick reminder that I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow my socials on Instagram and on Twitter to keep up to date as to when I go live. I implement a lot of the things that I talk about and I do tutorials about in my stream itself, so you can see how they work firsthand. So, first thing you gotta do, download MixItUp Bot. If you haven't, or you don't know anything about it, check out some of my other videos. They definitely cover things in depth. So now that you have it downloaded and integrated with all your Twitch things, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go down to services. Okay. Once you're in services, make sure that you link up either your OBS studio, your Streamlabs OBS, or your XSplit, or if you use Overstream. For sakes and purposes, I use OBS. I'm assuming it works the same way on Streamlabs. I don't know if it does, but I use OBS, so this tutorial is only going to be for that. If you click the three tabs again, you go to commands. As you can see, I have all of my commands set up in different categories. Categorizing them actually makes organization a little bit simpler. So like, for example, I can just go to mod commands, and as you can see, I have a be right back scene, the dad joke scene, the main scene, and the waiting scene. Okay. These are all things that my mods can do. All they have to do is put in the command, and here we are. We're at the waiting scene. This is the scene where I usually put everything down. For example, when I'm waiting for a game, my game usually shows up on that screen or that box up there. I usually just wait here. And this is where, you know, sometimes I do tutorials and things like that. But this is generally one of the screens that shows up all of the time. And the problem is I forget all of the time. So I start playing the game and then my viewers see the game up there, which is kind of annoying to them. So all my mods have to do is put in the specific command that I put in, and boom, now we're back on the main scene. So all we have to do is just integrate that command. Let me show you how to do it. So you want to start off by doing new command. All right. Don't do basic chat command. Don't do sound basic chat command. Do advanced command, because this is an advanced command. Once you click on it, name the command. For this case, we're going to do ending scene. Once you have your scene name down, or whatever your command name down, all you have to do is make a command group. I highly recommend this because it makes organization a lot easier. So for example, test commands, right? And once it's done, it will make a separate category right here for you. So the command is going to be triggered by !end. Okay, we don't even need to put the exclamation point if you don't want to, but you can. User role, please make sure that the only people that can do this are your mods, because if not, everybody can do this. There shouldn't be a cooldown on it, because obviously it's something that you want. And then what do? You go to action, right? You go down to streaming software, hit the plus sign. Once you see this, it'll say default setting. The default setting is whatever you have as your main thing, but I would highly recommend clicking on the actual one. So once you click on it, it'll say action and perform. Scene, source visibility, text source, web browser source, stop stream. They can stop your stream if they wanted to. Set scene collection, save replay buffer. For this case, it's just scene. This is extremely case sensitive. If you don't do this, they're not going to be able to change the scene. So we named the ending scene capital ENDING. If they don't have it like this, it's not going to work. Once this is all done, you hit save. And as you can see, it already made a test commands category. You don't have to do anything after that. So all you have to do is go into your chat, your mods hit !end, because remember, that's what we had it set as. And then here we are in the end screen. It's extremely simple. And it's nice because then your mods don't have to send you a message saying you're on the other screen, you're on the other screen, small box, change the scene. They can do it for you. Mods are amazing. Give your mods a lot of credit for all the things that they do, and give them a little bit of control because they're looking out for you all the time. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video so that you can spread the word on how your mods can change your scenes for you. Remember that I also stream live on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Stop by. Follow my socials. That way we know and you know when I'm going to be live. Other than that, have a great day, guys.